If you want to record sounds on OnePlus 15R, then first of all we can go ahead and open the app drawer and you can find the recorder app. Now in the recorder, if you press continue and grant all the necessary permissions, then you should be able to press this recording button and you can easily start recording yourself. And you can also add these bookmarks over here. We can add transcription here. It is a live transcription. We can also adjust the language in case it is incorrectly selected. And we can also pause the recording at any point and stop it completely. If you stop it, then you will return to the main page of the recorder, the main menu, where we can of course play the recording again. In case the recording is not fully transcribed, we can of course try scrub again without any issues. You can also choose the language that is used for transcription. Also, as you may have noticed before I actually started transcription, we can also generate summary of the recording. And there's also speakers. So all speakers are separated. So if there are multiple different speakers on the recording, they will be separated, and you can actually choose which speakers text or transcription actually you want to take a look at. Here we can of course generate the summary as well, and we can copy the text. We can, I assume, redo the transcription. And here in the upper right corner, we can find these three dots that allow you to find even more additional options. And that is pretty much it. And of course, we also have the AI clear voice that can be used in order to reduce the background noise on the recording. Here we can tap on these bookmarks in order to, for example, adjust them. Here we have the list actually of all of them. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.